In this video, I'll show you how to add Solana to MetaMask. Before we begin, there is one important thing you need to know. You cannot add the native Solana network to the regular MetaMask wallet the same way you add networks like Polygon, BNB Smart Chain, Arbitrum, or Avalanche. MetaMask is mainly designed for Ethereum and EVM compatible networks, while Solana uses a different blockchain system. So, when you open MetaMask and go to Add Network, you will see fields like network name, infra URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. These details are used for EVM networks. Native Solana does not use this same setup, which means standard MetaMask cannot connect directly to the Solana network through custom network settings. If your goal is to manage real Solana assets such as SAOL, SPL tokens, or Solana NFTs, the best option is to use a Solana wallet. Popular choices include Phantom and Souffleur. These wallets are built for Solana and work properly with Solana apps, tokens, and transactions. To get started, download a trusted Solana wallet from its official website or from your device's app store. After installing it, create a new wallet, set up your password, and carefully save your recovery phrase. Write the phrase down and keep it somewhere safe. Never share it with anyone and never enter it into unknown website sites. Once your Solana wallet is ready, copy your Solana wallet address. This is the address you can use to receive SOL or other Solana-based tokens. Always make sure the platform sending the funds supports the Solana network before you confirm the transfer. Now, MetaMask can still be used with wrapped Solana assets on EVM networks. For example, you may see tokens that represent Solana on networks like Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Polygon. But these are not the same as native ETSOL on the Solana blockchain. They are wrapped or bridged versions, and they depend on the network where they were issued. If you want to move crypto between MetaMask and Solana, you usually need to use a trusted bridge or a crypto exchange. For example, you can send funds from MetaMask on an EVM network, bridge them to Solana, and receive them in your Phantom or Souffleur wallet. Before doing this, always check the token, network, receiving address, and transaction fees. So, to summarize, you cannot directly add native Solana to standard MetaMask using the Add Network button. Use a dedicated Solana wallet for native Solana and use bridges or exchanges only when moving assets between MetaMask and Solana. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.